This is the view out our room. Lovely. On the balcony. Beautiful light here. I was trying to get some sunlight. Good morning here in Chiang, a restaurant which a lot of people have come to just for the pictures of the waterfall. It is really worthwhile, I think. And I just spotted cows. Be ready for a surprise for anything. I heard there's going to be prawns and sea bass and stuff like that.
We're having lunch.
But they're having lunch, yes. A lot of people come here for just the cake and coffee because it's not much. But I think it's going to be worthwhile. Been looking forward to it, so we're going to have the lemonade sea bass. Having my Chom beauty secret. Actually, it's just Chom's secret. Yummy. Okay, we just had lunch at Chom. What was it like? Truthfully.
The coffee was very good.
Yeah.
The food was, I would say,
On a scale of 1 to 10.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Yeah.
I think we're just so used to piping hot food.
Yeah. So even the steamed fish, the steamed bass, we normally get it on a hot plate that's still bubbling because it's a fire. But this one comes in and within 10 minutes it's cold. But it was good. The freshwater prawn was delicious.
Yes.
And so was the tofu.
Yeah.
Really, I would recommend coming here to have lunch, but I think a lot of people come here for coffee and dessert.
Yeah.
Which is good enough, because it allows you in to take pictures of that waterfall behind us. Next, up the mountains. Well, it's been only 40 minutes from town and we are here at a place for the night. It's called
The Elephant Sanctuary.
and we're here to live with the elephants, or at least for the night, and see what they do. And this is where we will be sleeping tonight. Simple room compared to what we had yesterday.
We're in a different place.
Yes, we're in nature and we
Nature.
can't use too much space.
One with nature.
Of the river. That is our view. With the mountains in the background. Only way back across to the mainland. This bridge. Wish me luck. No jumping, no running. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
And here leads you onto the road. If you notice, the elephants are not chained or shackled to anything. They're just free to roam where the food is. And at the moment, it's grass on the ground. This is the reception area overlooking the stream and the bridge. What a wonderful view. That behind is the reception. Bend first. Why suck? He's giving love bites. Look at that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Wow, the grass came. Okay, turn around. Sweetie, have you seen the size? You're saying hello to who?
Get excited.
She knows how you are here.
Ah. Okay, we go walk. We go walk.
Feeling like a papa.
How long they carry the baby?
2 years or 1 baby.
Before one baby.
24 months, 1 baby. Nothing here. That's normal for the baby. More play, more fun for her. She's good.
So Sandy is 1 year old and Mama is 30 years old. And your Mama is calling. Yes, Mom and the baby.
The baby both will come.
Yeah. Look at her, she can't wait to get out. She knows where she wants to go.
Very happy. Watch it. Huh? Yes.
What? What?
Oh, shake. Having a good scratch. It's in the pocket.
Okay. Oh, on the other side. She's taking you for there. Come here.
Where's Mommy going now?
Mama, Sandy this way. Oh, ma cannot find Sandy. No, Sandy this way.
Here comes Sandy. Here comes Sandy. Right up Elephant's Way.
Dima.
Come here, see?
She don't know,
She's coming.
She's here.
Here comes Mommy. Don't get caught with the tree, she might be rubbing you against the tree.
Pushing the baby.
Yeah. Mommy don't want to go, so she go. Sandy, Mommy, Mahut, and Lahut. Walking the elephants
Yeah.
through the jungle.
Make you skin.
Oh, now play with sand. That's why it's sandy.
Mosquito spray.
Yeah.
Protection. This one. For the hunting.
Listen to the balloons.
I love gas. Right?
Yeah.
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh, that's one way so she can fart.
She like it. Pew, 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 pew.
Done. You're eating fresh bamboo. She knows where to get the fresh ones. Wait, that means go. Let's go.
Nurse for 3 years.
Nursing before they get back.
So you have before.
I'm sure. Because she's
Jadi aroy mai.
very thirsty also.
She like it.
Mommy, you want some sand?
Why do they do that?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquito. Like a mosquito spray. Protection. For hot, for cool.
After this, she have baths. No more already.
Yeah. Maybe for water.
But I thought not supposed to. She's not the one you're dating. The little one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Where did we start from?
Just around that side. That's how the bridge. Just on there. The meeting point.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we came in there, right? Oh, okay. Oh, she's having a poop.
You see why I said the water is not clean?
So we go down here. Watch your step.
Wow, bloop bloop. So you see floating in the water? Wow, she loves it. Careful, I'm slippery.
Yeah.
See, she just takes a breath. Hey, mommy. So what is it? Shampoo? Aesop. Oh.
So cute. Here comes her sister. There.
Here's a collection. Anybody? Souvenirs?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, sorry.
Pink and green.
Sorry. Oh, yeah.
What she want?
Sandy sister, chai lai.
Sandy is really enjoying it.
Oh, Sandy, you miss your sister? No miss.
No miss, no miss. Ooh,
You miss no one. Tsunami.
tsunami. Tsunami.
Told her. You told her.
One more, please. She understand English. Huh?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
Singapore people come to Thailand to massage elephant, not have massage.
Thai massage, yeah? Elephant
Not Thai massage. Singapore massage.
Yeah, Singapore massage. Singaporean.
Oh, but mud is good for you.
Yeah. Also the head, huh? Behind the ears.
Want some? Good for you.
I'll spray water, huh? Why no dog? Đây. Nó có cái hả?
Hey, so pretty.
If she that is where she play with the sister, yeah. Sister cannot bathing. Run away together.
Maybe we human have also must use dirt.
Yeah, I think so. Like
So no falling.
special forces.
Yes, special forces. Yes.
They do, yeah.
Yes.
She's clean. She's clean.
Whoa.
Oh. I love gas. Like a mom. Like a man, yeah.
You should kiss her, not right up there.
No.
Sit down. More? No, right.
Photo. Oh, photo.
You want to sit on the leg? That's fine.
Sit on the leg and hold what? I need to hold something.
Yeah, you can hold it.
You got your phone okay?
Yes.
She want more? Kiss.
They kiss you?
Julie, honey, one more kiss. One more kiss.
The sound is
Yeah.
Julie, one more kiss.
Water kiss.
Water kiss.
no water kiss. Ah, thank you.
Not awareness. Forgot it.
Try? No.
We try. Okay, you come and take that.
Ah. Oh yes. Bon. Salama. Sandy. Trái lại.
Shall I kiss?
Oh, kiss.
Listen.
Ah.
What a kiss.
One more.
Hey, my wife is here. How can you kiss?
Oh, jealous. Kidding, hả? À.
This is the view from the restaurant at the elephant sanctuary after we went for a walk with them. Now for dinner. It's nicely. Up on the hill, this is their one shot of rum.
Holy smokes. Cheers.
Ooh.
Oh.
Mm, mm.
Better drink quickly, walk down, otherwise cannot see everything.
Wow. This is like firewater. We're now at the Doi Inthornon twin pagodas. As such magnificent buildings. Look at that. Way up here on the highest point in Thailand. Magnificence. And the garden's absolutely gorgeous.